Using Power Pro. We've already done 2 with the Palmer knot, and we got it that it broke at 25.2 and 26.2 pounds. And this is 30-pound line, which means it still is not supporting what it's rated at. Only one of the lines I've tested I've actually got to support more than what it's rated at doing my test, which was big game, trailing big game. But anyways, so what I'm doing in this test is I cut a length of line and I tie this same knot to 2 swivels. I'm going to clean off the swivels. There's probably so many fragments of broken line on my floor now because of this test. And then I go from one and tie a Palmer knot. And then I go through the other end, wherever my other swivel is. My silly contraption. I have used this line. This line works pretty good. I think I have this on one of my rods right now. I like this braid actually better than the Spiderwire Stealth. It's thinner diameter, I think, because the Spiderwire Stealth was the 30-pound, I think, was 10-pound diameter, and this 30-pound is like 8-pound diameter. Yeah. So it's thinner line. That's probably mid-20s too again. 7.6 pounds. So this is a breaking strength. Average like 26.3 pounds between 3 of them. 7.6. Oh, let's get another chunk of this. This is not working out very well. I should just completely stop using improved clinch knots with braid after doing these line tests. So let's see what that was. This line is not doing well with Palmer, not with improved clinch knots. 10 pounds. That is not good at all. What's this one heavier than the last one? $14.4. So that's only got like 12 pounds too. So 11.9 pounds. I guess with Power Pro, do not use. Was that 12.0? I guess what I've learned from this is do not use improved clinch knots with Power Pro because they're much weaker than. They're like less than half as strong as Palmer knots are with it. So now we're using a unit knot. If you want to see how to tie knots, just go watch other videos on how to tie the knots. So this unit knot's at least stronger than the Palmer knot. Not Palmer, improved clinch. What's the first one with the unit knot? Is 17.9. That's not too bad actually. 20.9. Still doing this knot thing. For this Power Pro line, we've done 3 tests with the Palomar improved clamp unit knot and 2 with the tri-lean knot. This is the 3rd one with the tri-lean knot. This line is very variable depending upon the knot with how strong it is. I guess until I did this silly test, I wouldn't have known all this. So I'm going to show, I haven't been recording everyone, but this line is a lot more variable with how it's performing compared to the Spiderware Stealth. So this one's much heavier than the other 2 though, which is weird. So 19.7. So that one's like 15 pounds probably. .5. Oh. We'll have to buy some fire line and test that too. We'll have to strength test some cheap leaders at Walmart. So that one is the last one with the Rapala knot. And that is 17 pounds. Okay, so that Power Pro line with pretty much every knot is weaker than the Spiderware Stealth. That is interesting. And some of the knots it's way weaker. I really don't understand why, but we'll just have to. It's still better than those other 2 cheap, the Reaction Tackle or Salgea lane braid I had, but like, I'll just put the average in a comparison video at the end of my video series, respecting all these fishing lines, and then you can look at them. But for this batch, I've done more knots than the previous ones.